It's royalty. Check this.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Your boy Mr. J, we back again. Man, amazing shit coming out of female MCs, y'all. We gonna talk about a sister that's been doing a thing for some time now, and she good. She goes by the name Natasha Chansa. I think she's from Zambia, I don't know, Uganda. You guys let a brother know, but the song though, she can lay down some good ass songs, you dig? But before we do, man, you know who it is, your boy Mr. J, coming all the way. Pause for a minute, hit that subscribe button, smash the like and the notification, and then please do not forget to drop a brother comment. Positive, negative is so good, you dig? Let's get back on track on the treadmill and start. I want to do 8 miles, you dig? Let's go, man. Let's not waste a whole lot of time yipping and yapping. Natasha Chansa noise, let's go.
It's royalty. Check this.
Okay. Woo! You don't know. I don't hear a whole lot of noise. I like the beat. Sounds like trap shit. You dig? But I'm let's get into the verse. Jokers won the throne, but you don't know that. I don't heard a whole lot of noise. I'm already on the throne. You dig? Let's go, man. I like the way she delivers. Back off, I'm running the city with the mask off. You know coronavirus be out there, man. So hey, I gotta protect my health first. Why you tripping as if you don't know? Sister going in. Sister going in. I mean? My daddy didn't raise no fool, man. Some of y'all are ungrateful. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know what's going on. All what y'all doing is all noise. She just yip. But I delivered though? Damn. If I was listening to this shit and I'm on a flight or anywhere, and I wouldn't even know that the sister from Motherland. But yo, she good. I mean, so Natasha Chansa's fans, holla at your boy today. Let's go. He said I won't do that shit pretending your kitty type raps. You dig? My mama didn't raise me just because. And you never ever hear. Maybe she grew up with her pops, and she said pop didn't raise no fool now. I mean, I might act like I'm, but yo, I ain't no fool now. You dig? But I run this ish. I mean, damn.
It's harder than a kitty type rap, so I know that you didn't get it, but I'm all in. Or that thing, you really gotta wild up. Or something big shaky, that thing goes crap pop pop.
He said go scrap pop pop. Kitty type rap. That is dope right there. That's a shit from Scrap Pop Pop, man. Whoa. Let me back it up, sis.
I'll be doing cleaner than your kitty type raps, and probably even harder than a kitty type rap, so I know that you didn't get it, but I'm all in. Or that thing, you really gotta wild up. Or something.
You really gotta wild out. I can do better than your kitty type of rap because I'm all in. I go in. When I want to flow, I flow. What you guys doing is noise. It's a kitty kind of childish noise, man. The kind of raps that kids do, I don't do that. I go all in. She let, man. Who done stepped on your toe, sister? Holla at your boy. You dig? We gon' Skip pop them, you dig? Let's go.
Shaggy, that thing goes crap, pop, pop. Quick math, it's royalty over the whole thing. You can get jiggy, 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 jiggy with it. It's just something you can handle. You can run a little bitty. You can tell you're the records. You know I be getting silly when I want to see a goat. I've been looking in the mirror pretty clear.
She said, when I want to see a goat, I look at the mirror. Oh. Is she the best MC, female MC from a country? Y'all need to let a brother know. You dig, but yo. She has her syntax and delivery is way different. You dig? It's different. She's kind of like the beat is following her tempo. She's not following the beat's tempo. You dig? That's dope right here. Now me and but she said if I want to see a goat, I'll look at the mirror. Guess what you see when you look at the mirror? Your ass. Damn, talk about metaphors, y'all.
Jiggy, 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 jiggy with it. It's just something you can handle. You can run a little bitty. You can tell you're the records. You know I be getting silly when I want to see a goat. I've been looking in the mirror pretty clear. Get jiggy, 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 jiggy with it. Y'all niggas get it, let her heart, let her.
Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Y'all niggas better get it. Flow switch, man. Flow switch. We talked about this before. Artists need to know how to switch up things. And right here, she can freestyle. I've not heard her freestyle, but from this song, I know that the sister can freestyle. Facts. You dig? Facts. Damn. Let's go, man.
Fate of the records they set up right when I want to see a goat. I've been looking in the mirror pretty clear.
She came with it. Balls. She dropped balls. Metaphor, man. Flow switch. She on it. The best line from verse 1. If I'm looking for goat, I'ma look at the mirror. That's me, man. Damn. I don't heard a lot of noise. Simple, nice, simple hook. You jokers don't know. You don't know, but all what you're doing is a whole lot of noise. I mean, man, Natasha. Come on, Natasha, man. Damn. You don't know. You don't know. You never see me before. You think that the noise you make is gonna bring me down? This is the second Natasha I know that is into music. The sister who's the parliamentarian in Sierra Leone, and then the sister. Seems as if Natasha's know how to do that shit on the mic. You dig? Let's go. Verse 2.
I'm not here to make more tiptoeing on these broken toes. Just get some peace of mind with this peace of mind, and don't fear the weight of your cross.
I'm not here to just get peace of mind. Don't what? Feel the weight of your cross. Let's back that shit. Let's go.
I'm not here to make more tiptoeing on these broken toes. Just get some peace of mind.
I'm not here to make words tiptoe. Nah, I'm not here to lie around, fake around, pretend. I'm here to tell you the shit. Tell you the piss of my mind. Damn.
With this peace of mind, and don't fear the weight of your cross. I put my on like an overall. Ain't nobody getting all up in it like a carnival.
No, ain't nobody get up in what? I'm gonna give you a peace of mind. Don't feel the weight of it. Let me back. Let's go.
I'm not here to make more tiptoeing on these broken toes. Just get some peace of mind with this peace of mind, and don't fear the weight of your cross. I put my on like an overall. Ain't nobody getting all up in it like a carnival. I never bow to y'all. I'm to you will never see me bow to ball. But let the vibes on over back.
Woo! You see that bucket of delivery? You see how she was? I'm not here to lie around. This shit is not like a carnival. Nobody can get. It's not. No, I'm giving you the real deal right here. I mean, so you can know that all the thing you're doing is noise. Your kitty cat rap is just Motherland.
I'm really going wild, you know, and I really gotta take control. And the ride along with no ghost. Now I really gotta concentrate like it's a hard debate. A lot of else to take, a lot of consequences.
She said I gotta concentrate, a lot of else to take, man. Concentrate on this shit and roll with the ghost. Come on, man. Come on, y'all. Come on. Dope ass spitting. Jesus Christ. Yo. Yo, man, you guys gotta let me know more about the sister. If she drops some, the thing with female MCs from Motherland that I've noticed is they don't drop shit constantly. I mean, they do not drop shit constantly like every month. They don't do that. But they need to be doing that. You dig? They need to be getting to the booth constantly to put in this type of shit, man. You dig? She a lyricist. I told you guys, I know she can freestyle just from the way she delivers. Man.
There's a lot of hate and then a lot of fakes. I'm only rich and out if you reciprocate. I mean, one day it's gonna make sense, and you can keep it up 2 cents.
I only reach out if you reciprocate. A lot of hate. Of course, you gotta only reach out if people reciprocate. You cannot show love when people don't show you love back. That's BS, but that's what the situation is nowadays. People too fake. You dig? People too fake. Let's back that shit up.
A lot of consequences, a lot of hate, and then a lot of fakes. I'm only rich and out if you reciprocate. I mean, one day it's gonna make sense, and you can keep it up 2 cents.
If your shit doesn't make sense, if your advice doesn't make sense, you can keep your 2 cents. I mean, I don't want to hear what the hell you got to say. If it doesn't make sense at all, if it's not going to help me, my career, my life, bring that positivity, keep that shit to yourself. Stop making noise. Damn. We've been putting in work, don't get confused. Me and my team will be in the top. Queen B, we are not licking no boots. We don't kiss ass. We don't lick no, I mean, we are not, come on, man. We're going in, we'll do us. If your shit doesn't make sense, keep that shit to yourself. Man, Natasha Chansa. Man, she good. She good, man, she good. I like to see shit like this, y'all.
Only beginning with all this buzz I'm spitting, and all these niggas are shivering pretty, hitting the freezing, and I'm done.
All the beginners of this balls that I'm spitting, niggas be shivering, and I'm done. Oof.
Yeah.
And the beat goes up. Woo! Na 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 na. Dope ass beat, dope ass song, lyricist of the highest order. Tongue twister, flow switch, bars, metaphors. The hardest one I heard of this shit. If I'm looking for a goat, I just have to look at the mirror. That's me, y'all. God damn. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time, man. I appreciate that, brother. Say, yo, check out female MCs from Motherland. You only doing male MCs. I was like, F it, let's go. And boom, I'm seeing a whole lot of shit across Motherland. I mean, like I said, we gonna make this shit now permanent. We gonna talk about a whole lot of this now. I mean, hit that subscribe button, smash the like and the notification, and then please do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Let a brother know what's good with you. You dig? Yo, coronavirus is real. There ain't exist any vaccine yet, so please stay home, wash your hands, use hand sanitizer. Do not go out if it's not necessary. Don't take your family out. Avoid crowded places. You dig? That's my time. Dope song, dope MC, man. I got my eyes on the sister. You dig? I'm out of here. Peace.